I'm Dr. Zamzam from Leave Wellbeing, the dental clinic. Today we'll be addressing certain issues which I'm sure the new mothers are very confused about. What is bottle feeding? When to start? When to stop? And majorly the ill effects. Over to you, Dr. Aramita.
So basic questions whenever come in, as you said, most mothers, should we give a bottle to a child or no? It's a big no. So the major ill effect of bottle feeding is decay. Okay, and we have a commonly used term as nursing bottle caries, thanks to the abusive use of the bottle by parents too. Okay, which they give to a child. The child keeps on drinking the bottle, milk from the bottle, and all of that milk is pooled in the mouth, which causes cavities. Second point is your malocclusion, which is commonly caused because the child keeps the bottle in his mouth, so the developing jaw, okay, is hampered because of it. Apart from malocclusion, it can also lead to speech delays because now the child doesn't know how to place his tongue. There is speech, the pronunciations are hampered, again leading to the child is not able to speak properly, which leads to the delay. Okay, so we need to tackle these from the dental aspect. Apart from it, there is also ear infection, which is commonly caused because of bottle feeding. Now what happens if the child usually is bottle fed? It's usually either sleeping, the night time. Because the child will sleep, the bottle in the mouth, there is pooling of milk which happens, which eventually leads to your middle ear infection. Also, there is no time. The bottle feeding is at haphazard time. Whenever the child is crying, you end up giving a bottle. So this eventually leads to a lot of overweight. Okay, there is no consistency in the child's meal time. So a big no to bottle feeding.
So in that case, doctor, kindly guide us regarding how to wean from the bottle, or suggest some alternatives for the same.
Sure. So weaning should basically start from 6 months till or the first birthday. So this will help the child get rid of the bottle if the child is already taking one. If no, better not introduce a child. Simple things. Take a bowl, take a spoon, and just feed the child. Okay, that always works. The child is not, compromising the child's health based on the bottle feeding.
So basically, mothers stick to katori and chammach.
Totally.
Yes.
Okay. Apart from that, there is something called like an alternative is usually your trainer cups. Okay, it's a cup with 2 handles, so that even child when he's growing can hold it, even the parent can hold it, and it should be open rimmed. Okay, no valves, no sippy cups. No, a big no, because again the child's placement to those sippy cups is going to be same like bottle. Okay, it's going to change the structure of the mouth. So always stick to an open rim glass. The child can drink from that. Best way is take the child for shopping. Okay, if it's a toddler, very difficult for the child to select on its own. But on an older child, if he's still on the bottle, always give an option. And kids like colors, so something they select, they will always prefer to use it.